Alright, Simon is down there in lane 3. This is the 50 back. We're in Austin, June 12th, 2016, and this is a 50-meter pool. Open video, yeah. Woo! Come on, Si. Be careful there. Let's go, Simon!
Like I said, the 2 sessions I was at the end here, and we stayed in the shade as often as possible. I've been mad because there was only one of them.